In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a Temu package that's marked as delivered, but you haven't actually received it. This can be a frustrating situation, but luckily there is a straightforward process you can follow to get this sorted out. Let's dive in step by step. Firstly, you'll want to start by visiting the Temu Philippines website. This is where you'll find support resources tailored to your needs, especially if this involves product delivery. Once you're on the home page, look for the support option. It's typically located in the main menu or towards the bottom of the page, so take a moment to locate it. Clicking on support will lead you to a range of helpful topics that address common issues. Next, you need to select the category that best describes your situation. In this case, go for the option that says shipping and delivery. This category contains all the information you'll need if there are issues with package delivery, so it's vital to choose this to refine your search and access relevant resources quickly. Once you've opened this category, you'll see various options laid out for you. Among them, look for and click on Delivery. This will direct you to yet another list of frequently asked questions specifically related to delivery inquiries. You're getting closer to solving the issue, so hang in there. Now, scroll through the list until you find an entry that matches your situation, which in this instance is, my tracking info says my package was delivered, but I haven't received it. Click on this option to gain access to a detailed guide on what steps to take next. After you've reviewed the guidance provided, if the issue remains unresolved and you still haven't received your package, it's time to take the next step. At this point, there should be an option to contact us. By clicking here, you will be provided with details on how to get in touch with Temu's support team. The contact page is the key to resolving these kinds of issues. Here you have the opportunity to speak directly with a support representative who can provide personalized assistance. It's often beneficial to have your order number and any previously received correspondence at hand when you make contact, as this information will help hasten the resolution process. Once you're connected with the support agent, explain your issue patiently and provide them with necessary details they might ask for. With their help, you should be able to reach a resolution, whether it's locating your existing package or having a new one sent out. That's the complete process for reporting a Temu package that's incorrectly marked as delivered. Remember that although these issues can be inconvenient, there are dedicated support avenues to help you along the way. Hopefully, this walkthrough has made the situation seem a little less daunting.